Someone like me.
Someone like you.
Yo.
Someone like me. You know my personality, right? That's it, to be short. Okay, next.
Ikaw, papayag ka ba magparitoke ng ibang katawan?
No, I don't like.
Why?
Because I'm contented.
Oh, really?
Next question.
Bakit ang talino mo?
I'm not an intelligent person. I just reviewed my lessons. That's it. Next.
Oh.
Paano mo nagiging yung pagsasalita mo?
That's it. That is inborn.
Oh,
Kidding. Maybe I improved it when I'm in grade 3.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Read, and read. Read, and read.
Okay.
For example, thoughtful. Thoughtful. Inaano ko siya sa iba-ibang sounds.
Kaya
Next.
Thoughtful.
What else?
Mabuti ka bang kaibigan? Sa tingin
You
mo?
judge me.
No. I'm asking you lang.
Yeah.
Ako magtatanong pwede.
Sige, magtanong ng bilis.
Yeah, I think I'm a good friend.
Namimili ka ba ng kaibigan?
Yeah.
Wow.
Anong gusto mo sa mga kaibigan?
What?
Anong gusto mo sa mga kaibigan mo?
Ang gusto ko sa mga kaibigan ko... Anong gusto ko sa mga kaibigan ko?
Yeah.
Or anong
Ugali.
gusto ko sa isang kaibigan?
Oh, yun.
Marami, di ba?
Gusto ko sa mga kaibigan
Yun na
ko.
lang.
One of my friend is always there when I need her.
Or him.
And
Or him. Him? Walang him. Hindi ka kasali.
one of my friend is always hopeful whenever he is facing his problem. One of my friend is cheerful. One of my friend is reliable.
Reliable.
And they're very special in my life.
Tapos na.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, meron pa! Sige pa, meron!
Go.
Go. Bibilis.
Go.
Nakalimutan mo na pala. Tapos